Wait. Just trust me. Wait.
Take your hand out of your pocket. What's going on with you? Take your hand out of your pocket. Hey. What's going on?
Yeah, we're right down the road. Not reaching. Not reaching. Hey, stop reaching, man. Oh, just reach over. Hey, man, what's going on? Hey, watch out, he keeps reaching the bucket. Come on, man. All right. What's going on, dude? What's going on? Hey, what's going on, man? Talk to me, talk to you. He's trying to get up here. That's it. Hey, man, what's going on, man?
Back off. Back off, man. Back off. Back the fuck off, man. I'm gonna document this.
That's fine, yeah, you can curl all you want, man. I want to talk to you. What's going on?
Go back in your car, man.
No, this is a free country. I can be wherever I want to.
Don't walk up on me, man.
What?
I don't like the way you're walking up on me, man.
What are you doing? I just want to talk to you.
Don't stop walking up on me, man. We're gonna.
Are you okay?
I'm chilling, man. Go back in your car, man. What's your name, badge number? Since you want to walk up on me, why are you walking up on me?
Hey, don't come.
So you don't like that, do you? Don't walk up on me, bro. I don't like that. What about your name? What about your name? What about you? Hey, no!
You're gonna be detained right now. You're being detained.
Give me my phone! Give me my phone, bro! Give me my phone! Give me my phone! Hey, you don't have the right to detain me, bro!
You're being detained right now.
For what crime? For what crime? Don't touch my phone, bro! Don't touch my phone, bro! There's one thing you're not gonna do! I'm not doing nothing illegal. Exercise my constitutional rights.
Okay.
Don't touch my phone. I ain't done nothing illegal. Don't touch my stuff.
What's going on, dude?
Hey, bro, I don't like that shit, bro. Don't touch me, dude.
Hold on. Earl! What's up, buddy? What y'all doing? Detaining that subject.
Surprise, surprise, surprise!
Welcome to the door. Welcome to the door.
For what crime am I being detained for, man? For what? Don't touch my phone, dude. Hey, you see this dude? He's trying to break down and touch my phone. Stop, man!
Just pat him down real quick. Make sure you got no.
I ain't got no weapons. Don't touch my phone. Why are you touching my stuff? Why are you touching my phone, bro?
We just don't want it in your hand right now.
Those, you violated my First Amendment rights.
Patrick, how you doing, buddy?
Hey, what are you guys doing?
You know who I am.
Hey, man, relax, guys, relax.
What's your name, badge number, boo? What about you?
Tidwell.
Don't touch my dick, bro.
Hey, relax. These are First Amendment auditors, okay? This is what they do.
Now get off me.
All right.
Get me off these cuffs.
All right, listen. You're not supposed to be back on this property, okay?
Get me out these cuffs, bro.
All right.
You just violated my. Where my phone at? Give me my phone, dude. Get me out these cuffs.
The phone's over here.
Get me out. Give me my phone. Put it back right. Put it back in my hand.
All right. Listen. detain him. Let's call the district attorney's office.
For what crime?
Okay.
Exercise my First Amendment rights?
Well, I mean, you know, you keep on reaching into your pocket.
It's not illegal. I'm exercising my First Amendment rights. I ain't done nothing illegal. I ain't done nothing illegal. Hey, go live. Go live, dude. Go live. I ain't done nothing illegal, bro.
You're being detained right now.
For what crime?
Okay.
I'm just asking for a crime. What crime am I being detained for?
Well, you're being detained because you keep on reaching into your pockets. Okay, you keep on approaching us in an aggressive manner.
I ain't do nothing to you.
Okay, so that right now you're being detained right now. I'm asking you to be in the car, okay?
Why can't I sit out here?
Because I'm asking you to be in the car.
I ain't done nothing illegal, dude.
Okay, well, yeah, you did. You were acting aggressively.
I ain't act aggressively. You walked up on me, bro. You came to me.
Have a seat. Have a seat, dude. Have a
Hey,
seat.
go live, guys.
Have a seat.
I'm just asking. Go live.
Alright, call this.
I ain't done nothing illegal. Hey! Hey, can you loosen these cuffs? Can you loosen these cuffs, man?